Listen, everyone. We're going to start unit number 5 today. Uh, it's about different etiquettes. Now, we want to talk about telephone etiquettes today. Now, there are two ways of doing it. I'll very quickly explain you what telephone etiquettes are, and then in class, we'll have activity. There will be 8 groups in the class, and we'll talk about do's and don'ts of telephone etiquettes. Fine. You will be able to make noise. Fine. You can talk in a group, work in a group, and come up with your ideas. Fine. Related to telephone etiquettes. So we'll make sure that you do some physical activity, mental activity, so that you can have enough quantity of lunch to have, right, during the lunch break. Okay. Second? Yeah, second race is on the way. The people who are online, they will enjoy sitting there. The people who are offline, they will enjoy doing here. Fine? Activity. Okay. Now the topic I'm going to talk today. Thank God you asked, may I come in? Actually, my problem is I become frank and students become supremely frank. They don't ask even going out and coming inside. Fine. So it looks like a garden, but still, I don't mind it. It's about telephone etiquettes. Now, etiquettes are something. Here we need to tell them, no? This is our version, right? Okay. Etiquettes. Can anyone explain what do you mean by etiquettes? Please don't say etiquettes means etiquettes. Manners. Very good. Any other option? Look who is talking about manners.
How should we act on certain behavior?
Okay. Behavioral pattern.
How should we
Right? So etiquettes, mannerisms, behavior patterns, they belong to the psychological domain. It varies from person to person, situation to situation. Your approach, your attitude differs from person to person, and it should. The people who have plain approach, plain attitude, you should doubt them, right? The people who are too close, too soon, have too much to worry about. Fine. So make sure that you understand this. Now, in today's class, first 20 minutes or 25 minutes time, I want you people to walk through this presentation quick to understand. Then I have come up with some chits, not chit cots, but chits. I'll share with you people, and we'll have discussion on it. So practical things. We'll try to make sure that whatever knowledge you carry today, you also convert that knowledge into skill. Right? Let's see. Okay. So telephone etiquettes. First of all, it's etiquettes. The first thing first it comes is appropriate behavior. See, it does not say correct behavior. There is nothing like right and wrong. It's about appropriate according to the situation. Fine. A code of behavior that delineates, that expects, that talks about, that shares, that describes, depicts expectations for social behavior according to the contemporary and conventional norms within society, class, or group. So, in your particular framework where you live, it can be a family, society, class, business group, wherever you are, in whatever set you are, at that point of time, in that particular set, whatever is expected, you behave accordingly. You show your attitude accordingly. That is etiquette. And whatever you say, people in more or less thinking. Manners, what they say, codes, social conventions, and all those behaviors that make our interactions with others in every possible situation pleasant and acceptable. Fine. See, if you speak, the untouched part of research is psycholinguistics. Linguistics meaning the language. There are three types of what we call areas of linguistics. One is applied linguistics, which is very common. That means you talk about the problem and you solve the same problem using language. That is applied linguistics. What we do today in the class, what we study, that comes under the umbrella of applied linguistics. The social awareness, how you communicate with people, what you should do, that comes under the umbrella of social linguistics, where society comes in the center. Third one is socio, then applied, and third one is psycholinguistics. That is a branch of psychology. If you remember some days back, I told you any relationship on the earth, when that relationship is spoiled because of two reasons, ego or jealousy. Why? Because ego and jealousy that dents, that damages one element which is there rooted in every relation, that is trust. I come to the class at 12:10 because I have trust on my students that they will be sitting in my class waiting for me. No, lunch break. So that is trust. You are sitting here, you did not call me, did not send message to me. Why? Keeping in mind that Deepak sir's lecture, they come. That trust. You call your friend that I want to talk to you today at 5:30, right? Please see me at ADB. You will not doubt your friend. If you doubt, he is not your friend. So we have that trust. If you are in trouble, you approach your friend and your problem will be solved. That is the base of trust. Now the ego and jealousy that dents, damages, bites the element called trust. And that's the reason when there is ego and jealousy in the picture, in between any relationship, that creates a problem. It can be your ego, it can be somebody's ego. It can be your jealousy, it can be somebody's jealousy. How dare you come in my class late? When that ego comes of a teacher, students will not sit in the class. I'm giving you my example. Fine. When I become a teacher only, I can be strict. I am okay, you are okay. The games that we play. I can be your friend, I can be your parent, right? I can be, the kid who can demand that if you do this, I'll give you more marks. The way, kids do that. So we need to cascade our relations, cascade our roles. If we can do that, there won't be any problem. I remember I have this hot, heated debate with my colleagues. Because for us, you people as the students are in the center. So when I say that, when you consider your students your kids, you will not be angry on them. Because you cannot think evil of your kids if that element comes in the picture. So ego and jealousy cannot be there. I have never seen a father having ego with the kids. If it's so, he is not doing his duty as a father. So jealousy, ego, that comes in the picture. That is the branch of psycholinguistics. Your one word, whatever you spoke, if I forget today, that doesn't mean that I have forgotten for entire life. It will go. Same is the case with you. I can give you hundreds of examples when students meet me after 10, 15 years and they come and they remember some of the dialogues that I delivered in the class. You will do the same thing when you meet me after 15 years or 20 years, if I'm alive. Right? If you're willing to meet me. Right? Otherwise, you may change the restaurant, you may change the road, you may change the class, right? Or if you are from the different class, why to meet him? So that might happen. But here, it comes over there, right? So words, you need to use very carefully. They are very powerful. In our Indian culture, if you remember, you watch Mahabharata, Ramayana, or any epic, any saint having the kamandal, right? God knows from water comes in that, right? He'll take a water and he'll put there on somebody and say, "Who?" And that happens. We feel it like comic. How is it possible? It happens. Words are very powerful. You need to use it wisely. Father Malay. There are lots of Gujarati books available. Father Malay was not Gujarati, but he is one of the well-known Gujarati writers. Father was a principal in one school. And he did some experiments in education, early childhood education, in primary schools. He did one activity, one experiment. He used to go to the class, one class of the school. And he used to say one thing only. "Oh my God, you are so clever. When I was of your age, I was not this much clever." He used to say like this and go. Simple. That class did miraculous things. That class brought miraculous results. Right? Right? So that happens. There's the power of words. The problem with we people around here, that is something you must have heard people saying their kids, "Anandi kai no thai. Tu rewa de bhai. I want to go for 12 science. Science. Tu arts color mein gano jo bhai. Science is not your cup of tea." You must have heard people speaking like this to their kids. I criticized one of my relatives in one social gathering. We were talking, and his son of 7 years only, he came down in between and said, the moment he entered, मन के आजो આપણું ધ્યાન રાખશે આના માટે લગ્ન માટે આપણે ચિંતા કરવાની એ મોટા થશે ત્યારે એનું લડી લેશે આપણે કહી તમે નીકળો. Now I was observing the kids, the smart kids. You are poisoning their ears from now. They'll not take care of yourself. They'll find out the better up on their own. You are poisoning their ears from now. They will do the same thing. Kids are very good observers. They observe each and everything. And you remember, if you observe them minutely, you will remember the famous dialogue of Three Idiots. चल बोल वो रहा है, words मेरे हैं. The kids, whenever they speak, they use your words. How could he know or she know the tone of the word and word to use, what where to use? They are blank slate, blank canvas. It's you who are responsible for things. So we need to use wisely about this. Okay. Telephone etiquette. It's about listening. It's about responding. It's about hanging up. It's about speaking. 4 dimensions for telephone etiquette we need to talk about. When you make a call, the content of the call should be there. How you begin the call is important. What to do if the call disconnects? You should not throw the phone. Fine. Prepare before calling. If it's a business call, make sure that whom to talk. Choose most convenient time to call. Business deal should not be done at 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. It should be between 10 to 6. Right? If it is Rajkot, do not dare to call between 1 to 4. तो जे होय भाई અત્યારે ફોન મૂકી દે. It is said that in Saurashtra the sun rises twice a day. I am the student of journalism. It is the only Saurashtra in the entire world. It is the only Saurashtra in the entire world where there are 2 editions of newspapers. Morning edition and evening edition. સવારે ચા દિવ્ય ભાસ્કર નાસ્તો ઓફિસ બપોરે સુઈ જવાનું સાંજે અકીલા ચા નાસ્તો સવારે ચા સાંજે અકીલા. Are people so news conscious? Online applications છે તોય ઓલી કેરોસીન જેવી સુગંધ આવતી હોય હાથમાં ઈ જે મજા છે ઈ મજા છે. અને લોકો આખું છાપું વાંચે સવારે ને સાંજે. People are so busy doing nothing. Right? So find out the time. If you're talking for the first time, introduce yourself. Prepare, be brief and concise, jot down the points of discussion in advance. If you're noting down the order, my friend, he runs his business of tours and travels. मैंने फोन करो पीयूष मैं तो टिकट बुक करवाने मैंने बोली जाओ कौन છે આ નામ છે એ છે આ વસ્તુ છે મને કહો ઓકે હું લખી લીધું મને કહો કેવી રીતે મને ટિકિટ મોકલાવો જોઈ લેજો. મેં લખ્યું કેવી રીતે આટલી સ્પીડમાં? આઈ એમ અ ટીચર, આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ નો. અરે યાર એ કોલ રેકોર્ડ થાય છે પછી એ ફોરવર્ડ કરીને આસિસ્ટન્ટને મોકલી દઉં એ સાંભળી લખી નાખે. હું ગમે ને મારો લખવાનો હોય બરાબર છે. સોરી, યુઝ ઓફ ટેકનોલોજી. કોલ રેકોર્ડિંગ બધા કરતા હોય પણ ક્યાં પર્પઝ થી? તમે નામ કીધું હતું રેકોર્ડિંગ રેકોર્ડિંગ વાળી. So how you use technology aptly, that works. Keep the conversation short and simple. મને સ્ટુડન્ટ મળે તો જબરજસ્ત એ શરૂ કરે ને ક્વેશ્ચન એ પહેલા એના 4-5 ક્વેશ્ચન આવી જાય અને એનો છે ને ક્વેશ્ચન હંમેશા કસાટા ક્વેશ્ચન હોય 4-5 ફ્લેવર ભેગી હોય એમાં રાઈટ સર એક્સક્યુઝ મી you said this statement on this 25th of September in that lecture when you were describing this. Based on that, if I put my stand on this, on that ground, I say, ભાઈ પૂછને શું પૂછું તારે તને જે યાદ છે મને યાદ છે ફટાફટ બોલ short. Actually, I mean to say, બાકીનું શું છે ને flavored main point પર આવો, right? So we find lots of dragons, but we don't find potato in dragon potato, right? So keep the conversation short. Avoid calling from landline. હવે તો છે જ નહીં. હવે લેન્ડલાઇન હોવી એ એક પ્રેસ્ટીજની વાત છે. લેન્ડલાઇન પણ છે અમારે. ફાઇન? ઓકે. ખબર ન પડે ક્યાંથી ફોન થયો છે શું વાત છે એટલા માટે. Select a quiet place before placing the call. ઘણીવાર ઘણા લોકો ચાલુ પર ખીજાતા હોય આપણે ખબર ન પડે કોને ખીજાય છે આપણને કે ઓલા અંદર વાળા A to B કે A to C ખબર ન પડે રાઈટ તો according to the interest of the receiver. હા બીજું કાઈ ઘણાના કોલ એવા હા મૂકી દો ફોન હા ઓકે પછી વાત ચાલુ હોય તો એવું ના કરવું. In case of most call, remember the call back letter. તમે અહીંયા missed call છે હા અચ્છા બધા છે અહીંયા so અહીંયા મારા છે ને 7 મિસ કોલ થઈ ગયા તો મારું કામ એ કહું જોઈએ કે રિમેમ્બર કોલ બેક ફાઇન. મારે કેટલા લોકોને કોલ કરવાનું થાય પાછા એક વખત હા એમ ડિપેન્ડ ઓન ધેટ ફાઇન. હું 6 મિસ કોલ કરલો પહેલા એને 7 ને કોલ કરું હિસાબ બરાબર खून का बदला खून, right? Don't do that. So in telephone conversations, the way we listen, respond, speak, and hang up is as important as what is communicated. How to begin receive call, right? You will not interest in that. Handling calls in different situations. If calls is disconnected, reconnect again. Confidential matters. First thing is don't share. હવે ત્યારે નવો જમાનો છે લોકો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કોલ્સ હોય એ વોટ્સએપ માં કરે વોટ્સએપ કોલ્સ આર નોટ રેકોર્ડેડ લોકો એ સ્ક્રીન રેકોર્ડ કરે લોકોને પહોંચી ન શકાય વોટ્સએપ કોલ હા 1 મિનિટ ચાલુ રાખજો એમ કે સમજાવવાનું આ સ્ક્રીન રેકોર્ડ ચાલુ કર્યું રાઈટ સ્પીકર ઉપર રાખવાનો ફોન કોડ રેકોર્ડ કરવાનો એટલે એમાં પણ થઈ જાય. Giving reference. So note down things what are important. Right? You should, but you should be extra careful. These are etiquettes. Greeting. May I please talk to આપણે આ ફોનમાં એવું હોય કે પર્સનલ છે ને આ તો વાત કરતા હોય તો કેરફુલ રહેવું. છેલ્લો દિવસ આપણો થઈ જાય સો ખબર ન પડે ડાઉટ લાગે ફિશી લાગે ડાઇઝી લાગે આસ્ક એમ આઈ ટોકિંગ ટુ ગામડાના લોકો હજી સારા તમને ફોન લગાડો તો પૂછે કોણ બોલે Fine. They make sure to whom they talk. Right? Identify self and organization. Clarity. આવું છે ને ગયા સેમેસ્ટરમાં બહુ થયું. ઓનલાઈન વાઇવા લેતા હોય ને ત્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછીને હેલો 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 સર નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુઝ. હા કટ. વિડિયો ઓફ થઈ જાય, ડિસ્કનેક્ટ થઈ જવાય. એમાં 4-5 લોકોના વાઇવા એક સાથે હોય ત્યારે પેલા 4ના વાઇવામાં નેટવર્ક સુપ્રીમલી ગુડ હોય અને એનો વારો આવે ત્યારે ઓલા લોકોનું સરસ થાય, આનું ખરાબ થાય. નેટવર્ક અને તમારા નોલેજ, તમારા રેડીનેસ ને ડાયરેક્ટ સંબંધ છે. હા છે, એ મને ગયા વખતે ખબર પડી. મારે એક સ્ટુડન્ટને કેવું પડતું વિડીયો ઓન કર, મને બતાવો, પૂછો ને આન્સર ધીસ ક્વેશ્ચન, ફર્નિચર વર્ક ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ઓન. અરે કોરોનામાં ઘરની બહાર નથી નીકળતો, ત્યારે ઘર કોઈ આવતું નથી અને ફર્નિચર કામ ચાલુ છે. માઇક ચાલુ કરીને ઠાક 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 અવાજ આવવા માંડ્યો. અચ્છા હવે વિડીયો ઓન કર, મને બતાવો કોણ છે કાર્પેન્ટરી. હમણાં જ જમવા ગયા. So lots of coincidence happens. Smile through the voice. People cannot see you smile, but people can understand with the voice. Okay. Fine. Now, listen. I'm going to give you numbers. One, remember your numbers. જ્યારે પૂછો નંબર શું છે હે બાજુવાળે બસ મારો હોય એવું ન કરતા. તમારે કેટલો નંબર યાદ રાખવાનો છે તમારો નંબર. બરાબર છે, તમારે એ જોવાનું એ પછી કરજો. ઓકે, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One. अच्छा 9 ना આવે ઇંગ્લિશ બનાવો. વચ્ચે વાળા પૂછ નહીં. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Minute 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 dash 1 2. બસ માં જોઈ સગ્યાનો કેમ રાખી સારું બેગ આયા રહેશે. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. Now you will be given 30 seconds time. 30 seconds time. Hello. થોડીક વાર હલો માં. ઓલ નંબર 1 જેના નંબર 1 છે 1 1 1 1 1 રાઈટ, એ લોકો બધા અહીંયા ભેગા થશે. ઓલ નંબર 2s they will gather there. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. And give me 5. Number 8 here. Fine. Your time starts now. हमने बात आपको विजय बनाओ
હાલો વયા જાઓ ભાઈ
pouch, green color pouch. Eight number. Fine. Listen. Now the people who are offline, listen to me. I have shared one cheat on Google. No, it's physical. It's about telephone etiquettes. There are two columns given: do's and don'ts. Listen, what you need to do is you need to add one statement before it. You should or you should not. For example, argue. I have written everything in alphabetical order. So you add what suits it. You should argue while talking to somebody on telephone, or you should not argue. If it suits, like you should not argue, you should tick in don'ts. If it suits that you should tick in do. What's the point? Do's and don'ts. Hello? Yes. Okay. Now, what I'll do is I'll invite you one by one and I'll ask you, what did you tick and why? You should not do it randomly. And please don't say money and cake. Right? You should have a concrete reason to share your opinion, why do's or why don'ts. For this, I'll give you 5 minutes. Over 10 minutes non-negotiable. Right? Your time starts now. You can discuss.
distracted.
કે ના
10 મિનિટ
છેલ્લે ક્રિએટ ઓફિસ ક્રિએટ
એમ્પથી કેનવાસ
સર્ચ કરતામાં
આજે કઈ જાય છોકરાઓને
ફોલો અપ એટલે એ નખાવે ગેટ ઇરિટેટેડ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ
ગેટ ઇરિટેટેડ ડોન્ટ
મ્યુટ કરી દો